Hi and welcome to the Coach House. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the corded SDS hammer drill from Screwfix. Before I start on this review, before I show you the drill, I'm going to make a cup of tea because I've got to get my priorities in order. Originally I bought this drill to dig into concrete. I'm just doing the driveway myself, so I'm digging it out with this drill. It cost me roughly about £49 from Screwfix, and yeah, it's been a great drill so far. Here you can see it's a chuckless drill. You just pull the sheath back and you can change the attachments from there. Obviously there's various different attachments that comes with it. Obviously it's 240 volts and I believe it's 850 Newton meters of torque. Here you can see I'm just switching it from drill to hammer. There's two switches, one on the side and one on the top there. You can see it's a little bit stiff, this one. Yeah, but great drill, great drill. Here it is. As you can see, it comes with and here you can see it's got an adjustable handle on the side. All you do is tighten the handle or loosen it to adjust the handle, so it's ready for use. I did actually have a little bit of problem with the first. That is actually the second drill that I've had, which is exactly the same. I did end up bringing it back, and that is because oil seemed to come out the front of the drill. I'm not sure what was wrong with it. Screwfix were great. They gave me another drill. Everything was fine. They replaced it quite quickly. I think it took about 2 days to come. Yeah, everything was great. Using it again to brake the drive, there is a little bit of oil coming out of it again, but it seems to be still working fine, so I think I'll hold on to it for a little bit and see if it's just the way it is. But yeah, other than that, it's been a great drill. Definitely recommend. Other than the oil, I would recommend. But yeah, I'll keep you updated how that goes.